Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to do API style referencing in Microsoft Word. First, go to your Word document, and you might have some references that I've already pasted here. So the first step is to highlight the references text, then change the format to Times New Roman and the size to 12 points, and select center in the paragraph group. Then highlight your references. Then go to the paragraph group and click on this icon to arrange the current selection in alphabetical order. So after clicking on it, select paragraph. Then select text in the type and ascending. Then click on OK. Now your references are arranged in alphabetical order. The next step is to highlight the text again and go to the line and paragraph spacing. Then select line spacing options. Now in the indentation, select hanging in the special menu and set the spacing, the before and after spacing at 0 and the line spacing at double. And make sure to check this box here, then click OK. Now right click on the links and select remove hyperlink. And highlight the references again and go to the font group and select Times New Roman and 12 in the size. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.